Imagine this. You're floating in the vastness of space, admiring the beauty of Earth from afar. The stars are twinkling, and everything seems so peaceful. Suddenly, out of nowhere, the moon shatters into pieces. You expect a deafening explosion, right? The kind that would make your ears ring for days? But you hear nothing, absolutely nothing. That's because in space, there's no atmosphere. Sound needs a medium like air, water, or solids to travel through. Without it, even the loudest explosion is completely silent. So, in the vast emptiness of space, you'd witness incredible cosmic events in perfect silence. It's like having a front row seat to the universe's greatest show, with the sound turned off. On Earth, sound travels by vibrating air molecules. It's these vibrations that our ears pick up, allowing us to hear everything from music to explosions. But in the vacuum of space, there are no molecules to vibrate. So, no matter how loud the event, it remains eerily silent. Think about this. When the first astronauts landed on the moon, they couldn't hear the roar of their rocket engines after they stepped outside. Instead, they communicated through radio waves, which, unlike sound waves, can travel through the vacuum of space. Now imagine you're an astronaut fixing a satellite. Suddenly, you see an explosion in the distance. On Earth, this would be terrifying, but in space, you calmly watch because you know it's silent. On Earth, even a small event like a firecracker is loud and noticeable. In space, a massive explosion is a silent spectacle. It's a strange contrast that reminds us how unique our home planet is. But what about other planets? Some have atmospheres, but they're very different from Earth's. For instance, on Mars, the thin atmosphere would make sounds much quieter and more muffled. A loud noise on Mars might sound like a whisper to us. And on Venus, with its dense toxic atmosphere, sounds would travel differently, possibly faster and more distorted than on Earth. It's fascinating how the environment shapes the nature of sound. So, next time you think about the vastness of space, remember that it's not just a place of incredible visuals, but also profound silence. A silence that can only be broken by the technology we bring with us.